Here goes another little story. Last chance to tell you how I feel. Everybody's waiting for the ending of you and me. What will be, if anything? These memories are running through my head. I could make them stop, but it keeps you here. And every word I ever said, I really felt and I meant. But so what? You want this to be easy. I wanna make this hard. I'm done hearing all your reasons. You're running away, you're running away. Oh. No time for formal education. This is my one chance to make believe. I'm through with trying to create the picture of what you thought that